Hi, today we are going to discuss about SharePoint 2030. In that, first we are going to discuss about what is SharePoint and SharePoint 2013 overview. In the second point, SharePoint product topology and architecture. SharePoint. Third one is SharePoint development options. Fourth one is Office 365 versus SharePoint on premises. The last one is working with team sites in SharePoint 2013. Okay, in that first I am going to discuss about SharePoint 2013 overview and what is SharePoint. See here in SharePoint 2013 overview, what is SharePoint? In what is SharePoint means, if you are seeing lot of definitions we can available in Google, but in my point of view I am giving small definition in short note. That is, SharePoint is a browser based collaboration, content management and extensible platform from Microsoft. The latest release of the product is SharePoint 2013. What is meaning of that? SharePoint is a browser based collaboration. That means to say browser based collaboration in the sense we have a browser. That means to say collaboration is nothing but a collection of components kept into the one place. That means the SharePoint is also a web development and content management. What is mean by the content management? Nowadays we are using lot of content management things. Suppose we have a document. The document I want to share to my people. I want to say, suppose I have this is one document. In the document here my team is sitting here, suppose in different places. Suppose my teams are available in US, UK and India. In three places my team people are sitting, but in that I want to share my document into these three countries people. I want to share these three country peoples I want to share. But for sharing the document, if it is one document or multiple documents, I can share. If I want to share this document, out of our knowledge we have some servers, FTP will be there, FTP, and like that we have different types of servers available for sharing the documents. But in SharePoint we can share this document with security. We can share this document with security. With security I can share. You people can say even other also we have a different kind of security. But suppose I have 5 documents. In the 5 documents I have I told you already, I have 3 teams will be there. In these 3 teams, 2 documents I have only one document library. In the 2 documents only visible to these people, and remaining 3 documents want to visible UK people, and one more document